G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're today at a great home, 11 Gumtree Drive in the centrally located suburb of Urraween. We are only minutes away from the thriving heart of the Hervey Bay CBD, as well as other key amenities. Let's go and take a look around. This great home is positioned in the popular suburb of Urraween, where you will enjoy the convenience that comes with being only minutes away from the key amenities, which include shopping centres, school, Tafe, university, hospitals, medical centres, golf course, esplanade, beach and the emerald waters of Hervey Bay. The generously proportioned floor plan allows space for everyone, with the kitchen forming the heart of this home, and it does include plenty of storage space, large benches, pantry, we've got a wall-mounted oven, electric cooktop and range hood. The open plan dining and main living area opens out to the covered outdoor entertaining area, capturing Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate and provides a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living. In addition to the main living area, there is also a separate lounge or media room. There are 3 spacious bedrooms, cleverly positioned away from the main entertaining areas, and all feature built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The main bedroom also includes an ensuite as well as split system air conditioning. The 4th bedroom is positioned off the open plan dining area and will be ideal as a home office or study. The oversized garage will be ideal for those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles, and there's plenty of space across this generous 867 square metre corner allotment to add a significant shed, pool or accommodate large caravans and boats if needed. This will be an ideal property for those looking to take the first steps onto the property ladder, or the astute investor looking for a home that will offer solid returns in a perfect location. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.